everybody, how is it going? It's been a very long time, but I wanted to make a short series of videos for beginners about Elliott Wave theory. So I'm gonna start. Better late than never. So I'm gonna do this one. It's gonna be about impulse wave. So if you're not beginner, it's probably not gonna be for you. So an impulse wave is a series of 5 waves trending, and you have 3 rules about this impulse. First one is that wave 2 cannot retrace more than the beginning of wave 1, meaning your wave 2 cannot go below this point here. Right? Then wave 3 cannot be the shortest wave, meaning that you cannot have something like this where wave 3 is shorter than both wave 1 and wave 5. That's the second rule. And the third rule is that your wave 4 cannot retrace into the price territory of wave 1, meaning wave 4 cannot breach this level here. So that's the basic 3 rules of Elliott Wave, which you should never break. About this impulse, most of the time the classic is that wave 2 is gonna retrace to the 618 level. Wave 3 is gonna reach a 1618 extension of wave 1, something like this. Wave 4 typically is gonna retrace to the 382. Sometimes it can be to the 0.5 level. And most of the time your wave 5 is gonna be of a similar length as your wave 1. So let's see some examples. This is CEWA coin against the dollar, and that's one of the most beautiful impulses that I've seen. Pretty clear, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 3 is the longest. If you measure it, wave 2 is a 618. Wave 4 is about a 382, and your wave 5 is similar length as wave 1. That's waves against the dollar, same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 3 is the longest. Wave 2 retraces about to 618, I will say. Yep. Wave 4 a bit shorter than 382. And yeah, your wave 5 is probably a bit longer than 1 here, but similar. This one is not a crypto, it's a stock, it's a Navistar. And again, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another thing you can see is that you can subdivide every impulse into a series of 5 waves. Look at this wave 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have your retracement, so let's measure it. It's probably very similar as well. Wave 3 is the longest, wave 2 retraces to 618. Oops. Wave 3 to 382, and wave 5 in this case is longer than 1, but yeah, so it's very typical as well. And your wave 2 here, your retracement, once your 5 waves are complete, comes very close to your 618, and as I just said, inside every wave you can measure 5 waves, which means that once you finish a series of 5, it makes actually a wave 1, and then the retracement is gonna be wave 2, and then we're gonna have wave 3 to the upside, right? Like this, and then your wave 4, and then your wave 5. Right, and after this you're gonna retrace. So, and as you can see, like for example in this wave 5 as well, you can count very clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after this is probably 1 and 2 retracement here. Where do you retrace? Wave 2 to the 618, right? So that's for Navistar, very nice series of impulse here. And sometimes impulse can be seen to the downside as well. This is Ryanair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside here. In stocks, very often in the middle of wave 3 you're gonna have a gap here, which is going to confirm that this is indeed UF 3. And I mean, it's another stock, but just to show you that sometimes it can be a bit more unorthodox, because here your wave 2 is very shallow, doesn't retrace to the 618, and your wave 3 is your wave 4 is deep, but doesn't overlap the one here, yes? And then your wave 5, and as you can see in the 3, you have nice subdivision into 5 waves. Yeah, and the last thing about this one, after you complete your 5 waves, you retrace to where? To the 618, right? And yeah, and see, I kind of forgot to show you as well. Where do you retrace once you finish your 5 waves? To the 618. Just saying. Alright, that's it for this video. Very simple one. And after, I mean, if you want to know how to draw a channel into impulse wave, I made a special video for this that you can find on my YouTube channel here. And last thing, some of you may know, but with a friend of mine we created a Discord group where we post a lot of setups for stocks and crypto, and we update it on a daily basis. And yeah, you're most welcome to join if you want. It is for free. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.